7. Problems under Arrhenius theory. Under that, example 7. So we are going to see example 7, example 8 as well as evaluate yourself. That's what we are going to see to start with. What is given in example 7? Rate constant at 400 Kelvin is given. Rate constant K at 400 Kelvin and 200 Kelvin are given. At 400 Kelvin, what is the value? At 200 Kelvin, what is the value? That's what they are given. So at 400 Kelvin, the value may be 0.04 per second. Under 200 Kelvin, at 200 Kelvin it is 0.02 per second. Given data. At 400 Kelvin rate constant is 0.04 per second. At 200 Kelvin it is 0.02 per second. You are asked to find out energy of activation. Alright. So our aim is to get energy of activation. At 400 Kelvin it is given as 0.04 and 200 Kelvin 0.02 per second. Energy of activation is asked. How to solve? The very last equation I given, log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R. That's what the slope. Alright. Into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. You are given with K2, you are given with K1. This is K2, this is K1. Alright. And the temperature, it is T2, it is T1. Now, how to do the calculation? K2, the value of K2 is given as 0.04. Yes, 0.04. At higher temperature, rate constant is higher, 0.04. K1 is equal to 200 Kelvin, 0.02. K2, K1, T2, T1, K2, K1 I have substituted. EA is asked 2.303. What is the value of R? You should know the value. 8.314 Joule per mole per Kelvin. That is the value. Don't forget it is given in Joule. Alright. So 8.314 Joule per mole per Kelvin is the unit for R always into T2 minus T1, that is 400 minus 200 Kelvin divided by T1 into T2, 400 into 200 Kelvin into Kelvin, Kelvin square. Alright. Unit every time we can write accurately if you want. Temperature 400 Kelvin minus 200 Kelvin, therefore unit will be Kelvin. 400 Kelvin multiplied by 200 Kelvin, therefore Kelvin square. Kelvin into Kelvin. 400 Kelvin minus 200 Kelvin, therefore Kelvin simply. Now we want EA, all other things we know. What is this value? Log 0.04 divided by 0.02, which is 2, log 2. Log 2 is equal to EA. Here you should remember one thing. Often you will be getting 2.303 into 8.314. Often you will be getting this value. The value is approximately 19.15. You can take this value as a very common value. Whenever you come across with 2.303 into 8.314, it comes to 19.15. That you can assume. Or else let me write as such. Because we have one more thing here you have to know. Therefore, let me write like this. An idea I have given. Whenever you have 2.303 and 8.314, the multiplication value is 19.15 approximately. That you can have in your mind. Alright. Now I am not applying that. Into 400 minus 200, simply 200, divided by 400 into 200, 4 into 8, 0, 0, 0, 0. Numerator Kelvin, denominator Kelvin square, therefore simply Kelvin. Alright, here joule per mole per Kelvin, Kelvin and Kelvin get cancelled. So the unit is only joule per mole. Now let me rearrange the equation. EA is equal to, EA is kept as such, is taken there. Log 2, what is the value of log 2? You may be knowing, 0.3010. That also you should know. In many occasions you will be getting log 2, 0.3010. That value also you should know always. You should not suppose to refer class table. Without referring class table, you should know the value 0.3010. All right. Into 2.303 into 8.314 into 80,000 joule per mole divided by 200. Am I correct? We have taken all the values present numerator here. Log 2 value I have substituted. 2.303 I have taken here. 8.314 I have taken here. 80,000 I have taken here. Alright. Divided by 200. 200 also I have taken here. Therefore it goes to denominator. Now 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 2 into 800, 400. Alright. Just a simplification I need not explain. But since it is having some clue, I thought of explaining to you. Usually 3 and 8.314, sometimes you may get 3 into 8.314. 3 into 8.314 becomes 25 approximately. 3 into 8.314 approximately 25. Often you will be getting, here we have got 0.3 and therefore it is 2.5. 3 into 8.314, 25. 0.3 into 8.314, 2.5. 2.5 into 400, how much? 2.5 into 400, 2.5 into 100 or 4, whatever it may be. 2.5 into 4, 2.5 into 4, how much? 10. 2.5, this and this, when you multiply 2.5 into 4 will become 10, into 100, 1000. So 0.3 into 8.314 into 400 will become 1000. Can you? 2.31303 into 1000. Am I correct? When these two, if you multiply, it becomes 2.5. 2.5 into 400, 1000. Divided by nothing. So EA is equal to this much, which is nothing but 2303 joule per mole. If you want to give it in kilojoule, put a point here. That's all. So we got the answer, approximation, little bit. A slight variation may be there. Alright. 2.303 into 1000. 1000 goes for converting joule into kilojoule. To convert joule into kilojoule, 2.303. Otherwise, 2303 joule per mole. So that is about calculation of energy of activation. I think you can, even if you want, you can refer and find out. Next, example 8. Let me go. Example 8. What is example 8? What is given in example 8? They are given the equation, logarithmic equation. Log k is equal to log a. That is logarithmic equation they are given. Minus EA by 2.303 R T. Am I correct? In other words, into 1 by T. Both are correct. They are given value of the slope for the graph of log k against 1 by T. If a graph is drawn, log k in y-axis and 1 by T in x-axis, y is equal to mx plus c. You will be getting a straight line with a negative slope. The value of slope is nothing but EA by 2.303, which they are given in the sum, 4000 Kelvin, like they are given. Alright. Of course, minus 4000, because it is negative slope. Minus and minus get cancelled. They are given as minus. Slope value they are given. You are asked to find out EA, that's all. This value they are given. When we plot a graph taking log k against 1 by t, you will be getting straight line with a negative slope, and y-intercept, when it meets at y-intercept, the value is log a. All right. That you will be knowing very well. Now, EA by 2.303 R is equal to 4000. I have cancelled out minus sign in both the cases. All right. EA is equal to, EA is asked 2.303 into R. What is the value of R? 8 point, again and again recollect, 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin into 4000 Kelvin. Because you will be getting the value only in Kelvin, temperature and Kelvin you will be getting. Kelvin and Kelvin must get cancelled. I given you a point. When 2.303 is multiplied with 8.314, what will be the value? Maybe 19.15. That's what I given as a clue. 3 means 25. 2.303 means 19.15, approximate value. So here it is 19.15. EA by 2.3 is equal to EA is equal to this. All right. 19.15 into 4000. How to multiply again? It may be a little bit difficult. 20 into 4, do you know 20 into 4? 80. This is how good old ladies who are selling in the market, they will be calculating. To convert 4 into 19.5, what they will be doing? They will be multiplying it with 20 to get 80. All right. 19 means I have to subtract 4, 76. All are mental sums. When I explain, it will go lengthier. 76. And then 4 into 15.15, 60. Therefore, 76.6. This is how they will be calculating. All right. So 4 into 20, 80. They have subtracted 4 into 1, 4. Again they added 4 into 0.15, 0.6, 76.6 approximate value. If you multiply 4 with 19.15, 1000 into 1000. This much joule per mole. If you convert into kilojoule, 76.6 kilojoule per mole. You can put an approximation. You can put approximately 19.5. There may be slight variation. That's all. All right. If you are clock stable, if you are ready to do the calculation, you can do as an approximation, as an mental sum. Also, those things can be done. All right. So that is about example 8. Now, evaluate yourself question. One more question. Evaluate yourself. That's what given under Arrhenius theory. What is the evaluate yourself question? For a first order reaction, the rate constant at 500 Kelvin is at 500 Kelvin. The rate constant at 500 Kelvin, they given the rate constant value which is found to be 8 into 10 power minus 4. What will be the rate constant value per second if it is first order reaction? 8.8 into 10 power minus 4 per second. Calculate the frequency factor, that is A. Calculate the frequency factor A. What is then given? Energy of activation is given, EA, 190 joule per mole. They are not given in kilojoule. Kilojoule, yes, kilojoule. Kilojoule per mole. Always the kilojoule or kilojoule you should have close watch. Now you are asked to find out A. What is the expression which can be used? Very fundamental equation. K is equal to A into e power minus EA by RT. If I take logarithm, log K is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. How it comes? You know, upon taking natural logarithm ln, you will be getting minus EA by RT. When it is converted into common logarithm, it has to be multiplied by 2.303. 2.303 upon division, it will go to the numerator. This equation we have already seen in Arrhenius theory. Log K is given. EA is given. Temperature is given. R value, you know, that's all. You are asked to find out. So log A is equal to, if this is kept here, it has to be taken here. Log K plus EA by 2.303 RT. Am I correct? Log A is equal to, this is taken here, log K plus EA by 2.303 RT. What is the value of K? Log A is equal to log K. Log 8 into 10 power minus 4. Alright. Plus, what is the value of EA? A is given us 190 kilojoule per mole. Let it be 190 in 10 power 3 joule per mole. Joule per mole. Kilojoule is converted to joule. Why? At the denominator we have R that we are going to express in joule. Divided by 2.303 into 8.314 in joule per mole per Kelvin. Alright. Into temperature 500 Kelvin. Kelvin and Kelvin inverse get cancelled. Joule per mole get cancelled. Alright. Which is equal to log 8 plus minus 4 log 10. Am I correct? Log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Log 8 plus log 10 power minus 4. When minus 4 comes front, you will be getting minus 4 log 10. Log 8 plus log 10 power minus 4. When it comes front, minus 4 log 10. That's what I give. Plus 190 into 10 power 3 divided by, again we have multiplied 2.303 into 8.314, which is nothing but 19.15. 19.15 into 500. Log 8 is nothing but log 2 power 3. Am I correct? 2 power 3 is equal to 8. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 8. Log 2 power 3. Log 2 power 3 is nothing but 3 log 2. It is log 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is nothing but 3 log 10. 3 log 2 minus log 10 is nothing but 1. 4. Log 2 is 0.3010. 3 into 0.3010 minus 4 plus 190 in 10 power minus 3 divided by 19.15 into 500. Now again let me calculate this. It is equal to 0.903 minus 4 plus 0.903 minus 4 plus, let us find out this value. Approximate again 19.15 10 times approximately. Of course less than 10 you will be getting 10,000. Here you have 500 at the numerator. Here 1,000 at the 1,000 at the numerator, 500 at the denominator. Therefore 2 by 10 5. I given just approximate value. It may be little bit less than 5. Little bit less than 5, which is equal to 5 minus 4 1 is equal to 0.197. That is said to be EA. If you do the calculation, you may be getting this value. If I went wrong somewhere, you may get some other value. Hope this may be the correct value. All right.